Hi guys, and welcome back to Foodees. Today we have an amazing warm beef and pasta recipe to keep you warm on a cold evening. First thing to do is to preheat the oven to 200 degrees. We start by slicing the pepper into thin strips. We peel the carrot, we half it, and we remove the middle bit. And we chop to small pieces. We do the same thing with the onion. Make sure you don't have any chunky pieces as we want it to be cooked thoroughly. We add a drizzle of olive oil to the pan on medium heat. Once hot, we add our gnocchi pasta. You guys can choose any other type of pasta. I opted for gnocchi just because I love the texture and I think it goes really well with the beef ragu. We fry the gnocchi until golden. In the meantime, we pop the bell pepper on a baking tray and we drizzle some olive oil. We season with salt and pepper. We mix it all until it's well coated. We spread it on the baking tray and we put it in the oven for 12 minutes. By now, the gnocchi should be golden, so we transfer it to a bowl and we set it aside. We put the same frying pan on medium heat and we drizzle some olive oil. When hot, we add the beef mince and we break it up with a wooden spoon. We frequently stir it until it turns brown. This will take 4 to 6 minutes. Once the beef is browned, we remove any excess fat. Then we add onion and carrots. We cook it for a further 5 minutes, then we add the garlic. Now we add the beef stock pot, or you can replace it with red wine. And we add the chopped tomatoes. We add the rosemary and we bring it to boil until slightly thickened. That will take 5 to 7 minutes. The peppers in the oven should be roasted by now, so we stir them into the sauce. We season again with a little bit of salt and pepper, and we add the gnocchi to the pan with the ragu. We mix it properly, then we pour it into an oven-proof dish. Now it's time to add the cheese, so we start by sprinkling the Parmesan cheese, and we top it up with the grated cheddar. This will go back in the oven for a further 5 minutes until golden. Once the bake is golden and bubbling, remove it carefully from the oven. This is an amazing, easy, quick and delicious recipe to try at home and share with family and friends. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you very soon with another recipe.